We are pleased to show you the 2020 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated seats, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, Capless fuel filler system, cruise control, transmission temperature gauge, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.